Yawning is something we've all experienced, but did you know it's highly contagious? Seeing or even thinking about yawning can trigger an uncontrollable urge to yawn, thanks to a mysterious neural mechanism that instills empathy. Speaking of curiosities, ever wondered about the unexpected versatility of ping pong balls? These simple spheres aren't just for sports. They've been employed in film production for creating sound effects like horse hooves. And in engineering, they're even used to float submerged items to the surface. Isn't it fascinating how these seemingly mundane things hold such surprising secrets? Whether it's a contagious yawn or a multi-purpose ping pong ball, the ordinary can certainly entertain with its extraordinary capabilities.